What's your name?
My name is Nolan Cannon.
And Nolan, how did you hear about Elephant in the Room?
It was actually my brother-in-law told me about it one time, and when I came up here, I just decided to give it a try.
And how would you describe your experience at Elephant in the Room?
Really good. People here are really friendly, and they do a really professional job, so I'd say overall really positive.
And would you recommend Elephant in the Room to a family or friend?
Definitely.
Why?
Because of just how friendly the staff is and how good a job they do on my hair, which traditionally can be difficult.